Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss on how to register for the course of NISM. So if you are already registered with NISM, then go and log in and give your username and address or email address and give the password and then log in. If you are first time in here, then give email address, then password. Make the password stronger so no one can crack that, and click on the register. And after that, go on the orders and browse products. Through this you can get the your courses for free, like listing on stock, social stock exchange, municipal bonds, online dispute resolution mechanisms, and financial literacy course for Bharat.